class. Well, today we are going to learn something new. Can anyone still recall what we learned last week in maths class?
No.
We learned something that has to do with this sign. Can anyone tell me what's this sign called?
Plus.
Addition. Plus. Well, that's good. Well, today we are going to learn something new. Apart from plus, we are going to learn this topic called subtraction. Have you heard of that word? Subtraction? No. Well, I'll show you the sign for subtraction. Okay. Subtraction. Let me tell you a story. How many of you love M&Ms? Sorry, I don't have M&Ms, but I have blocks, bright colored blocks. Okay.
I love M&Ms.
Good. So in this container, or in this cup, I have 10 cubes. Okay? Let's all count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. Okay. So Mary had 10 cubes with her. Okay. She had 10 cubes, and then on her way to class, she dropped 5 of those cubes on the way. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me take that one extra one out. Sorry about that. 5. Okay. So how many do you think Mary had by the time she went into class?
6.
Oh, thank you. Let's count how many I have right here. Okay?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So, but how many did she have before? In the beginning?
She had 10.
10. And on her way to class, she dropped 5. And then she had how many left?
5.
5 left. Okay. So just to help you understand with subtraction, okay, some words that we could use apart from subtraction would be minus, another word, less, take away, these are some of the words that you'll hear when we talk about subtraction. Okay? So let's try an activity. I'll give you a worksheet. So we'll do the first word problem together. Okay. Using our fingers this time. Okay. With one set of your hands, how many fingers do we have? Let's count.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So if we have 2 sets of hands, how many in a total of fingers do we have? We said one has 5, and the other one would be
5.
5, and add 5 and 5 together becomes
10.
10. Okay, so let's read the first word problem. Mary had 10 M&Ms for recess. On her way to school, she ate 6 of them. Okay, so she has 10, she ate 6. So let's fold our fingers for the 6 that she ate, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many less M&Ms does Mary have for recess? 4. Thank you, Stephanie. 4 M&Ms. Okay? So, do you get it now?
Yes.
Okay. Oh. Okay. Now we have 2 and 3. Okay, 2 and 3 equation problems that we need to do. Okay. So since we know our numbers and we have seen that minus sign or that subtraction sign, so can we try and work on number 2? You want to work as a group? You want to use these blocks together or you want to use your fingers?
Blocks.
Blocks. Okay, let's try out the blocks. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Is that 10? Is that more? 2. Alright. Okay, so we'll use those blocks. Try and find out your answer for number 2 and number 3.
Well, first I had 9, so that one's not there. And then I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's how many are left.
Oh, that's good. Excellent. Let's see how we're doing here. Okay,
I got
3 cubes. Okay, you have a big 3 right there. Wow, that's good. You improved on your writing. Excellent. Okay, number 3. Can we all do it together with number 3?
Okay.
How many cubes do we need?
3.
3. Okay, and then what happened? Danny?
Do we have to start with 3? Can we do 2 first?
3?
Yeah. Can we?
You have to start with 3.
Oh, okay.
Because 3 is a big number. Okay.
Oh.
And then what did we say was this sign?
The minus.
The minus. So what you going to do with the minus? What you going to do with the 3?
Take away.
Take away. So how many are you going to take away?
2.
2. So let's take away 2. That's 1. 2. So how many cubes do you have left?
Only 1.
Only 1? Okay. So that's your answer, 1. Okay. Excellent. Okay. This is wrong. Wrong? What's wrong, Stephanie?
3.
I used cube to get my answer tree.
Okay. Good. Okay. Now, we said that subtraction has this other words, minus, less, take away. Okay? So think of something that you love doing. Okay? Okay, let's say for example, we are all sitting here. There's 4 of us. Stephanie's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. And then Erica decides to stand up and walk out of the class. How many do we have left?
1, 2, 3.
3. Excellent. Thank you. So can everyone understand why we're doing subtraction? How we get to find the answer when we subtract or minus?
We can use our fingers.
Yes.
Can use cubes.
Yes. What are some ways?
I don't know. But I like what I do with my fingers.
You love your fingers?
Yeah, fingers make it easy because I know that you always start with 10.
Excellent. That's a good observation. That's very good. Because last week we remembered we learned how to count from 1 to 10. Okay. And so today we're going to use that 1 to 10 numbers in order to do our takeaway, our minus, subtraction. Okay. So before we leave this class, I want you to write down on your piece of paper an equation just like 2 and 3. Write down an equation with the answer and tell me how you got that answer. How many days that you with the numbers?
I got an example of us.
Okay.
There's 4 of us. And then she walked out, -1. And left with 3. That's 3 of us left here.
Okay. Excellent. How about you, Danny?
I chose the number 4,
Okay.
and then I said, what if you take away 4?
Yeah.
So I counted, and there was none left.
Wow.
So 0.
0. Excellent. Okay, let's see our lady Erica.
I started with 5, and
Yeah.
I decided I wanted to take away 3. And then there's only 2 fingers left.
Yeah. 2. Excellent. So everyone passed the test today. Good. Yay. Okay. So now, just to help you understand, when you go back home tonight, try and practice with mom and dad on your vocab for subtraction. Okay. Show them the equation that you've done in class and tell them to help you out with more. Okay. You can go beyond 10, the number 10, right? Because today we just practiced from 1 to 10. So now that you can go beyond that, try and practice with your parents. Okay? Well, thank you for coming to class today. We'll see you tomorrow. Okay?
Yay.